Well, welcome to England. It is a beautiful... It is a nice day. Actually, the sun is out, but it is a 1.5 degree day, so nice and cold. There is still plenty of snow about. So freezing cold. But anyway, Soch is at work, so I thought I'll be productive and try and get some sort of video out. I guess show you around where I'm staying, the little village I'm staying in, and compare some of the things, like the houses here, compared to the houses in Australia, the cars, and just go from there. Now, first thing is the snow. I've been to England 6 or 7 times now. I lived here for 2 years and I've never seen snow here in England. I've seen it up in Edinburgh, up in the north, but it was only a small amount, and this is the most I've seen, really. Now, it hasn't snowed for probably 2 days now. This is just the leftover stuff. Still sitting about because it is so cold. But it really is something else seeing, I guess, snow for Christmas. Being from Australia, I am used to the hot weather in the Midwest. And it's just really cool to see snow. And every chance that I do get, I have been making snowballs and throwing them at Soch, so she's probably getting over that pretty quick, but I'm like a kid in Candyland here with snow. And driving about the last couple of days, it's cool to see all the snowmen and just the kids running around throwing snowballs at each other. It's bloody... Coming from the WA, the Midwest, it's something you don't get to see that often at all. But I guess I'll get all rugged up and we'll go for a walk. It is, I think it's around midday now. Being in the winter here, the sun comes up around 9ish and sets around 3:30, so not a lot of time for that sun to come out. Let's go for a walk around the little village. So, I've got to watch my step here, as it does look pretty, but you look on the road and it does turn all icy, muddy and horrible. So, I've got to watch our steps here. But anyway, this is a village, a small village of Turners Hill. And we are about, we're not far from Gatwick Airport, but we're about, 2.5 hours from Heathrow Airport, the main airport of London, England. But I don't really know too much about Turners Hill here, as Soch's parents have only just moved here probably within the last year, downsizing because all the kids have moved out. So I have read a load of comments, oh God, and a lot of people have been to England, have been to London. Like I said, we're about 2 and a bit hours south of London, and it is freezing cold, I'll put it that way, and a lot different to Western Australia, a lot different to Australia in many ways. So one cool thing you will notice is the housing here in England is completely different to Australia. Being so limited for space, instead of building out in Australia, like in Australia, they build up. It's usually the bedrooms and the toilets, bathrooms upstairs, and the kitchen and I guess entertaining area are all downstairs. But it's just incredible to see how close they pack these houses together. So a short walk through the village, and it does look like it's starting to snow again, but this is about it. Down there we've got a hairdresser, general store, and then back up here is the main square and the pub. And that is pretty much Turners Hill. Like I say, it is a small little village. 5 minutes in any direction out here and there's another village, and about, well, probably less than 10-15 minutes you have got a main town really, Crawley. I do want to say as well, walking around here is, I'm just going for a walk to have a look around. I've got no idea where I am, what I'm doing, but some of these houses through here are absolutely incredible. They've all got little names for them. The vicarage. And they're very old and just well kept, which is really cool to see. I know a lot of people have said in the last video that they have been to England, but it sort of blows my mind, just seeing the age of some of these buildings. I don't know what's knocking about here, but they're definitely not human footprints. So they are just everywhere, these little footprints. I've no idea what they are. That's pretty cool. Jesus. So a pretty decent little village, this one. They have got a school just behind me, primary school, a church, fire and rescue, which is pretty cool to see how it's built out of all these, I'm gonna say stone, and all these old buildings, which is really cool to see. There you go, Smith and Wheelwright, 1919. That's really cool. Even the icicles. I'm not going to go up there because I'm guaranteed to slip over, and I haven't slipped over once yet. I say yet. Still got to get down to the house. So we'll get home. Soch isn't far off being home. I think we're going for a quick drive, and then I think we're going to end up just over there at the pub. Sit around a fire and have a nice drink. Righto, here she is. What are we doing? Going for lunch?
Yeah, let's go get some food as per usual. Oh, that was on red when I was home, and now it's on.
Oh, run out of fuel.
Yeah, but
What's gone up?
it's gone up. Maybe it's the angle I'm at, parked on like this.
And for those that don't know, it is Soch's little car. Got rid of it, topped it in. Was having a lot more problems than we originally thought.
Yeah.
But lost a bit of money on that.
It is what it is.
Yep, got rid of the problem. So
Cut my losses.
we are racing around in your mum's little car, aren't we? Little red Mini. But anyway, let's go get something to eat.
Yeah, go from there.
Go from there, see what we can see.
Like an ice skating rink.
You got this? Good. What would you go for?
Fish finger.
Fish finger sandwich. And a house, is it burger? Or cheeseburger?
House. The old house burger. It's
Old
just
house
a
burger.
Cheese bacon burger.
It's pretty cool. And they do give you these little jars of mayonnaise and
Ketchup.
tomato ketchup. Chuck them in our pocket.
You don't eat them all.
Let's get into it. Well, I think I'm going to end this video here. It's been a bit all over the place, a bit hectic since landing here. Been sort of flat out catching up with friends and family. But sorry again that it has been a bit all over the place. I guess we'll pick this up on the next one where we have planned some things. We are trying to do some stuff. The next episode will be us heading into Brighton, checking out Brighton Pier, and just having a general walk around as well. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.